Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggs more interesting. Let's start with some simple additions to your everyday eggs. For scrambled eggs, a pinch of fresh herbs like chives or parsley can instantly brighten the flavor. You can also stir in a tablespoon of grated cheese, such as cheddar, for a richer taste. For a little zing, try a dash of your favorite hot sauce or a sprinkle of red pepper flakes. And for extra fluffiness, whisk in 1 tablespoon of milk or cream per 2 eggs. Moving beyond the basic scramble opens up a world of possibilities. Consider poaching eggs for a delicate, runny yolk that pairs wonderfully with toast or avocado. Or, for a heartier meal, bake a frittata in an oven-safe pan, combining eggs with your favorite vegetables and cheese. For convenient grab-and-go options, savory egg muffins baked in a muffin tin are fantastic. And don't forget the classic omelet, perfect for folding in delicious fillings, like mushrooms and spinach. Elevating your eggs often comes down to thoughtful flavor pairings. For a sophisticated touch, try serving them with smoked salmon and a dollop of cream cheese. Sautéed vegetables like bell peppers, onions, or spinach not only add nutrition, but also wonderful texture. Cooked meats, such as crispy bacon bits or diced ham, provide a satisfying savory boost. Don't be afraid to experiment with spices like smoked paprika, cumin, or even a touch of curry powder for truly unique flavor profiles. Finally, presentation and a few pro tips can make all the difference. Garnish your finished egg dishes with a sprinkle of fresh herbs or a dash of freshly ground black pepper to make them visually appealing. Serving them in a small cast iron skillet or on a vibrant plate can also elevate the experience. Always use fresh, high-quality eggs for the best flavor and texture. And remember, cooking eggs over medium-low heat helps prevent them from becoming rubbery, ensuring a perfectly cooked result every time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.